In this video, I will tell you details about work from home finance summer internship or LAVE project. The topic for summer internship is DCF Valuations of company using financial modeling in Excel. In this internship, first, we will taught you how to build financial models from scratch to do valuations of companies. Forecast the enterprise value to be used in mergers and acquisitions. Forecast the share price of company to give buy-sell rating. Accretion Dilution Analysis to see effect on EPS as a result of M&A. Moreover, we will learn advanced Excel functions. How to make your functions dynamic. How to write mega formula. Advanced charting, creating awesome non-Excel charts. Data analysis using goal-seek, solver, sensitivity analysis and their application in finance. Once you learn all of these, then as a part of internship, you will do an assignment, where you will create a financial model on your own with guidance to do DCF model to value a company to give buy-sell rating. This internship or LAVE project is meant for students of finance like MBA, BCom, BBA, CA, BFI, BTech and anyone interested in learning financial modeling, valuations. Basically anyone who aspire to work in equity research, financial analyst or M&A roles in investment banks like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Credit Suisse and in KPO like Moody's, EvalueServe, WNS, Genpact etc. The live from home internship is starting from April 12th at 6 p.m. Here is the timeline of classes for the internship. Financial statements forms the basis of financial modeling. So in the first class, we will cover financial statements. That is, in details we will discuss each line item of income statement, balance sheet and cash flow statement in details with reference to actual company like Apple. For example, for income statement, we will discuss in details starting from revenue, COGS, what are operating expenses, methods to calculate depreciation amortization, minority interest, gross profit, operating profit and net profit, basic EPS to diluted EPS of the company. Similarly for all the line items of balance sheet like assets, liabilities, equities. And all three types of cash flows, that is CFO, CFI and CFF, and how to calculate and much more. It will have lot of practice files in Excel. In class 2 and 3, we will create a financial model from scratch where we have only historical data and no other information, just we have to use our financial modeling assumption to forecast income statement, balance sheet, and create forecasted cash flow statement. This type of model is typically asked in interviews, where it is asked to forecast using your own assumptions. And also this model is very important, as it will helps you to understand the linkage of three financial statement, and not only this, you will learn so many face-to-face questions and answers like if depreciation is increased by $100, what is the effect on balance sheet and cash flow statement? Then the next question is, why do we need cash flow statement? Because we need to value a company. For example, we need to buy that company, so we need to value that company to determine the price to pay. Secondly, we need forecast the share price of the company. And future share price depends on valuation. Here comes next very important concept of DCF, discounted cash flow as valuation method. So, in classes 4 and 5, we will discuss the discounted cash flow DCF process. What are the components required for DCF and how to calculate them? For example, what is free cash flow to the firm FCFF and how to calculate? What is the discount rate WACC? What is cost of debt, cost of equity and what are the methods to calculate them including beta. Lastly, it includes terminal value and much more with lot of Excel files for practice. In classes 6 to 9, we will create financial model of actual company from scratch. To value a company, we should know the past, present and future of company. Past means business model of company, like from where the revenue is generated on the basis products, location, how are the margins moving historically, how much cash they maintain, how they have raised the debt, what is their OPEX and CAPEX, how are they funding the CAPEX, working capital, cash conversion cycle, capital raising, repayments and much more. Present means what is going on in the company, industry, sector, country in today's date. Future means what are the future plans of the company, management outlook for growth, future CAPEX requirement, its funding, capital issue or repayment, industry outlook. You should have complete knowledge like company management before doing valuation of company. We will discuss how to get the data to know the company past, present and future and how to build the model from scratch. Also, as we are forecasting, we can go wrong. For example, let's say management is say gross profit margin will improve 10% in next 5 years, so it can be 10%, but it can less than 10%, something like Corona may happen, or it can be more than 10%. How to achieve this in financial modeling? For this, we have to create 3 models in one model, like optimistic case, normal case and pessimistic case. We will teach you with one click from a drop-down. You can change the entity model from normal to pessimistic or any other case. And finally we will calculate enterprise value and forecast share price to give buy-sell rating after comparing with current share price. In class 10, we will discuss accretion dilution analysis of actual company to see the effect on EPS after the merger. What are the adjustments to be done to calculate EPS after M&A and do sensitivity analysis. In class 11, I will share details of assignment, as now you have learned the financial modeling, Valuations, DCF. You need to create model of live company and submit the model. In classes 12 to 15 we will learn Advanced Excel, where we will discuss how to make your functions dynamic, so they can be reused, how to write big mega formula, tips, tricks and shortcuts in Excel. And also to do data analysis using Goal Seek, Solver and learn advanced charting used in M&A, equity research. You can ask for detailed curriculum, if not attached with this video post. The Finance Internship, live project from home starts on 12th April and class timings will be 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. There will be 2 classes per week, Saturday and Sunday for 2 months. All the live classes of 30 hours will be recorded and students will be given access for recording to watch again and practice. Students will be provided Summer Internship, live project certificate depending upon their requirement. All the material in form of Excel files, practice file, models, PDFs and PPTs will be provided. Students will also get PDFs of actual interview questions asked by companies. And what is the fee for this priceless knowledge? It is very deep discounted price of Rs 2,900 only, considering the today's scenario. So kindly consider and enroll for the internship. We strongly recommend this internships to all the finance students. Even to those students who are doing an internship somewhere else, as it is structured based on our 14 years of experience and it will require very less efforts to have optimal learning. Vikram Miglani will be your mentor for the internship. He has done B.Tech from NITK, MBA from NMIMS Mumbai, FRM, CFA Level 2 and CQF. He had more than 14 years of experience in working in multiple domains of banking and financial services and handled various roles in equity research, investment banking, index division, corporate finance, pension advisory, quantitative research in companies like Moody's, JMN Investments, and providing corporate trainings, teaching B schools on advanced Excel VBA macros, CFA, FRM, equity research, investment banking, financial modeling and quantitative finance. See you in your internship, live project. Stay home, stay safe and stay blessed.